Coke too. They were all.
I hate you! Out them on their channels, Mark and Kids with Problems.
Something yellow. I hate you.
Since I won the last Edge games, I get to choose his punishment.
You have to count them. Yes. Once you pack.
All the time.
That is true.
He like makes up sayings that don't make
So complicated, guys. What? Would you give it to me? Give it to me now. Where'd you put it? Right there.
Oh man. Okay.
Cherry Dr. Pepper.
Okay. So we do.
That was a...
Ew.
Ew! What did you...
Oh, you liar! I saw that! Second, third.
Under a minute. Wins. 3.
And with the hashtag Team Edge. Whoa. What? With the hash crispy.
Oh.
Cool, man. You took it way too far.
I think it's Chad. Choose wins the challenge. Marked X is up.
I'm gonna make pop.
Connor in 3,
Watch.
5, 4, 2.
Oh, the burp smells bad in the mask. Badminton, hata. Okay, let's go.
All right, guys, this game is going to be to 5. So
Shut up! They win.
extra arrow to shoot in round 2.
Arrow? What arrow?